Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss differentiation. Differentiation. Let us consider a function y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. Where x is an independent variable y is a dependent variable. X is independent variable, y is dependent variable. As x changes, y also changes. Okay. Sir, here, what is the derivative? What is the derivation? dy by dx. What is dy? dy is the small change in y. Very small change in y. Delta x is the very small change in x. dy by dx is equal to differentiation of y with respect to x. Differentiation of y with respect to x. Okay, and is also known as a differential coefficient. Differential coefficient of y with respect to x, or derivative of y with respect to x, same meaning. So here dy by dx in mathematics or in physics, dy by dx is nothing but slope of yx curve. Slope of yx curve. It is the slope dy by dx. So dy is the small change in y. Dx is very small change in x. That means here delta y tends to 0. That's why delta y becomes dy. Delta x tends to 0. Delta x becomes dx. So that's why dy by dx equal to slope of. Suppose for example, take y is equal to 2x. The graph drawn between them, y and x. Y is equal to x. A straight line passing through origin. Sir, here this is the point 0, 0 origin. So here at this point is its location x comma y like. What is the slope? Slope is equal to slope. Year to year is the same slope. It is the constant slope. There is no change. That's why here I want the slope at this point. Angle is theta. At this point also draw a tangent. This is also angle theta. At this point also theta. That's why here slope is constant year to year. That's why here slope is equal to constant. For this case, constant. Everywhere year to year. That's why here slope is same. It is the straight line passing through origin. That's why slope is constant. Y is equal to 2x. Slope is nothing but for this case. Slope is equal to 2, sir. Y equal to mx. M is what? Slope. Slope is equal to 2. So that's why your slope is constant. Okay. Then all of you write it. Then next students, suppose y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. When a graph drawn between y and x, it is not a straight line, it is a curve like this. I want slope at this point. Slope is how much? 0. That's why here draw a tangent at this point. That's why here it is parallel to x-axis. What is the delta y? 0. Delta y 0 at this point. That's why slope 0 here. I want here slope. So I want slope at this point. Just draw a tangent. Draw a tangent. So that's why here this angle is theta. This is the slope at this point. I want here slope. So just draw a tangent at particular point. Here extend back. So slope at this point is theta. So here this here angle is theta. Here also theta. But this theta is less than this one. That's why this is the theta 1. What about this? Theta 2. Okay. So here theta 1 is less than theta 2. That's why here slope does not same, not constant. That's why slope is varying. Slope is varying. Slope is varying. Because here, so here at this point slope is more than this one. That's why slope is gradually increases. Slope is gradually increases. So here it is nothing but dy by slope is nothing but what? Slope is nothing but dy by dx. Dy by dx. Did you understand? What is the meaning of dy by dx? Slope of curve. When a graph drawn between y and x, I want the slope at this point. Just to draw a tangent at that point. That is tan theta. Tan theta is the slope at that point. By using a graph. Generally, one function is given. One function y is equal to x square. What is the dy by dx? It is the slope of yx curve. Did you understand? So, now students, listen carefully. Suppose equation y is equal to x square. When a graph drawn between y and x, it is not straight line passing through origin. This is a curve. This is the graph. So at this point, slope is 0. Your slope increases. The slope is gradually increases. Not slope constant here. It is changing, variable. So here slope is varying with x. That's why here I want slope at this point. Just draw a tangent at this point. So extend it back. Making an angle theta 1 with x-axis. This is the theta 1. Sir, I want a slope at this point. Slope at this point. Just draw tangent here and back extended. This angle is theta 2. Which is the more value, theta 1 or theta 2? So here slope is rising, that's why theta 1 less than theta 2. That means tan theta 1 less than tan theta 2. Sir, here tan theta 1 less than tan theta 2 means here slope is at this point is less than this point. This is the point 1, point 2. At point 1 and point 2, slope will be different. Slope not same. So that means here slope is varying. How to find the slope at a particular point, particular value of x? Listen carefully, students. Let us consider y is equal to f of x. y is equal to f of x. This is the equation 1. This is the equation 1. Let delta x be the increment in the value of x, and the corresponding changes in the value of y is delta y. Here initially y is equal to f of x. The small change in x, that means x becomes x plus delta x. Y becomes y plus delta y. Therefore here y plus delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x. Equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from 2. So 2 minus 1, we get y plus delta y minus y equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Here which is cancelled? Y cancelled. Delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Sir, here delta y and this equation is dividing with delta x. Delta y by delta x is equal to f of x plus delta x minus of f of x divided by delta x. What is the delta y? Change in y. What is delta x? Change in x. Okay. Then here students, here now let here delta x tends to 0 means delta x is very small and delta y tends to 0. Therefore limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. So here limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is nothing but dy by dx. dy by dx is differentiation of y with respect to x. It is nothing but the slope of yx curve, which is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. This is the differentiation. Okay, all of you write it. Example, y is equal to x power n, then dy by dx is nothing but limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. That means delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. Yes, we know that this is limit delta x tends to 0. It is nothing but x plus delta x whole power n. Here y is equal to x power n minus f of x is nothing but x power n divided by delta x. Then students, from these two x plus delta x whole power n minus x power n, x plus delta x we can written as delta x into x by x whole power n minus x power n. Here x is there, here also x. X take common. X power n 1 plus delta x by x whole power n minus x power n. Right here, limit delta x tends to 0. Listen. Then what happened? X power n 1 plus delta x by x whole power n minus x power n divided by delta x. Okay? Okay. Then, students, then here limit delta x tends to 0, x power n take common. Here 1 plus delta x by x whole power n minus 1 divided by delta x. Delta x. Expansion of this one is, but this is dy by dx. Take this the equation 1. So 1 plus delta x by x whole power n is equal to 1 plus n into delta x by x. Expansion of this one plus n minus 1 by 2 factorial delta x by x whole square, and so on and so on. Sir, here this value substitute here. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, students, limit, here x power n take common, x power n, limit delta x tends to 0, 1 plus, here 1 plus delta x is nothing but what? Listen, this one, 1 plus n into delta x by x plus n minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta x by x whole square, and so on. Minus 1 is there, minus 1. Here plus 1, minus 1 cancel. Divided by, which is there here? Delta x. Delta x. So, dy by dx is equal to x power n, delta tends to 0, limit is there. That's why delta x is very small, that's why delta x square terms 0. That's why here remaining is x into delta x by x divided by delta x. Sorry, here delta x cancel, which is equal to n into x power n divided by 1 by x. That's why here n into x power n minus 1 dy by dx is equal to dy by dx equal to n into x power n minus 1. Students, all of you write it. First point, d of differentiation of x power n with respect to x is equal to n into x power n minus 1. For example, d of x square with respect to x, which is equal to what is the power? 2. Here n is 2 x power 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2 into x power 1, which is equal to 2x. Next point is, next example, d of x power 5 with respect to x, which is equal to, right, power 5 x power 5 minus 1, 5 into x power 4. Yes. So here this is the relation. So here second one is, so d of c into x power n with respect to x, which is equal to c d of x power n with respect to x, which is equal to c into n into x power n minus 1. Students, for example, so here d of differentiation of 5 x power 7 with respect to x, which is equal to 5 constant outside, d of x power 7 with respect to x, which is equal to 5 into right power 7 x power 7 minus 1, which is equal to 35 x power 6. Okay, then students listen. D of u plus or minus v plus or minus w with respect to x, which is equal to du by dx plus or minus dv by dx plus or minus dw by dx. For example, listen students, for example, d of 3x square, differentiation of 3x square plus 7x plus 8 with respect to x, which is equal to, so separate differentiation, so that is d of 3x square with respect to x plus, so differentiation of 7x with respect to x plus differentiation of 8 with respect to x. Here we know that this 3 is constant, x square 2x plus 7 is constant, x 7 into d of x, differentiation of x with respect to x, which is equal to 1 into x power 1 minus 1 plus here 8 is common, that means constant differentiation y and x is the constant. Constant means constant slope of the constant, so that's why slope is differential. Slope of this one curve, yx curve is 0, that's why here is parallel to x-axis, is the 0, which is equal to 6x plus 7 into 1 x power 0, x power 0 1, that's why here dy by dx of this one of uv with respect to x, which is equal to, u is one function, v is another function, that's why here first u constant dv by dx plus v constant du by dx. The next one is d of u by v with respect to x, which is equal to d of u v power minus 1 with respect to x. It is also uv method like. So which is equal to u constant, differentiate v power minus 1 with this one. That's why here minus 1 power v minus like x power n with respect to x, n into x power n minus 1, right power, that's why power reduced by 1, that's why minus 1. So here differentiate dv by dx plus, here this second one is constant, v power minus 1 constant, differentiation of u du by dx. Then we get answer minus u by v power minus 2 by v square, 1 by v square into dv by dx minus, here plus v power minus 1 by v du by dx. So here LCM is v square. Therefore here students, here minus u dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Finally v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. This is the differentiation of u by v with respect to x. So simple thing. Sir, here suppose y is equal to numerator by denominator. dy by dx means here y dash like differentiation of y is equal to here denominator into numerator differentiation. n dash minus u. U is numerator as it is into denominator differentiation d dash by denominator square d square. So here is the differentiation. First one, if y is equal to x power n, then dy by dx, d of x power n with respect to x, differentiation of x power n with respect to x, which is equal to n into x power n minus 1. First one is okay. Then if y is equal to e power x, then d of e power x with respect to x, which is equal to e power x only. And third point, if function y is equal to ln x log x base e, then differentiation of ln x with respect to x, here x, here also x, here x, here also x, which is equal to 1 by x, 1 by x. So here differentiation of e power x with respect to x, e power x. So next one is students, next one. Here d of sin x with respect to x, you should remember cos x, cos x. Next one, differentiation of cos x with respect to x is equal to minus sin x, minus sin x. Next one is differentiation of tan x with respect to x is secant square x, secant square x. Next students, listen carefully, seventh one, differentiation of cosecant x with respect to x, which is equal to minus cosecant x cot x, cot x. Then eighth point, eighth one, differentiation of secant x with respect to x, here x, here also x, which is equal to secant x tan x. Then next one, ninth one is differentiation of cot x with respect to x minus cosecant square x and cosecant square x, cosecant square x. So all of you write it. Listen students, y is equal to x power n, dy by dx, this is the formula. Y equal to e power x, differentiation of e power x with respect to x, e power x, differentiation of ln x log x base e is nothing but 1 by x. Here x, 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 x. So here differentiation of sin x with respect to x, cos x. Cos x differentiation with respect to x, minus sin x. Tan x differentiation with respect to x, secant square x. Cosecant x differentiation with respect to x, minus cosecant x cot x. So secant x with the difference coefficient here, differentiation of secant x with respect to x, secant x tan x. Cot x differentiation with respect to x, minus cosecant square.